Alright, in this recording I'm going to start with the patch smoke, don't know what to call it, and then we'll do this lineup and I'll show you what it's supposed to look like, and then I'll explain the ways that this can go wrong. So, yeah, alright. So here's what it'll end up looking like from our side, here's what it'll look like from the CT side. That's not anything you can shoot through. The plant is mostly protected. Right, then we plant there, we also have the stair smoke. Okay, let me explain some things that can go wrong here. You just walk up to the wall. That doesn't really matter too much. You look at the height of the sun. Just above the sun actually, in between these two. So like this height, in between these 2 points here. So you're sort of up here in between those two, in between those two. Slightly to the right, like just turn like a quarter of a degree to the right. Run, regular throw. If you pop too late, you have a chance of sending it over this wall. If you pop it too late, you also have a chance of hitting this guy, this big thing. If it's too late or if it's too far to the right. If you do it too early, this smoke won't reach all the way to here, and there will be a gap here, which I think would be bad for us. Those are some things that can go wrong, but it's a pretty... These are both pretty tolerant smokes. You know, you just kind of, like, okay, right there, walk, throw. And that should... Oh, no. See, there you go. All right, so got to be careful about that. That's not the worst smoke ever, but it's definitely not as helpful as the plant smoke. In fact, that will get the planter killed. So make sure you practice this one. Yeah, halfway between these, halfway between those. Just a slight turn to the right, because if it's too much, you'll hit that. Yeah, you see how close that is? It's close. And then, yeah, that's decent. That's not bad. So, practice this one, but I think this will make for a good close A, which will look like this. So, we get the plant down. We kind of all come through ramp, sweep, clear, under, and then we sort of push out with a flash through the smoke. Or not, depending on what we want to do. Yeah, alright.